In a hidden corner of science, where quantum physics meets biology, a revolution is unfolding. For the first time in history, researchers have captured the earliest moments of life, not as a blurry snapshot, but as a living, breathing, high-definition movie. And the star of this breakthrough? A quantum camera so advanced, it defies everything we thought was possible. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on one of the most astonishing scientific achievements of our time. How did they do it? What secrets of life did they uncover? And why could this change medicine, fertility, and even our understanding of existence itself? For over a century, scientists have been trying to answer one of biology's biggest questions. How does a single cell transform into a complex, living being? But there was always a catch. The very act of observing an embryo could destroy it. Imagine trying to study a snowflake by holding it over a blowtorch. That's the problem scientists face. Light is destructive. Too much, and the delicate dance of life is snuffed out before it even begins. They needed a way to see the unseen, to watch life unfold without disturbing it. And the answer came not from biology, but from the strange, mind-bending world of quantum physics using a quantum camera. This camera doesn't work like anything you've seen before. It harnesses one of the most mysterious phenomena in the universe, quantum entanglement. These are particles of light that are inextricably linked, no matter how far apart they are. Here's the magic. The camera splits entangled photons into two paths. One photon barely touches the embryo, while its twin races to a detector. Even though the embryo receives almost no light, the camera reconstructs a perfect, high-resolution image using quantum mechanics. It's like seeing with ghost light. The team tested this on living mouse embryos, watching in real time as cells divided, migrated, and organized into the first whispers of a body. No blur, no damage. Just crystal clear footage of life's first hours. What they saw rewrote textbooks. For decades, scientists believed embryos developed in a rigid, predictable sequence. But the quantum camera revealed something far more chaotic, dynamic, and beautiful. Cells didn't just follow a pre-written script, they improvised. Some hesitated, some backtracked, some even seemed to vote on where to go next. It was like watching a democracy of cells, debating their own fate. We thought we knew how life worked. But this is like discovering that every embryo is its own universe, with its own rules. Even more astonishing, the camera captured chemical whispers between cells, signals that guide development. These were invisible to traditional microscopes, but the quantum camera saw them clear as day. This isn't just about mice. The implications for human life are staggering. Imagine a future where IVF doctors can monitor embryos without risk, ensuring only the healthiest are implanted. No more guesswork. No more heartbreak. But the revolution doesn't stop there. Quantum imaging could soon let us watch individual cancer cells as they spread, or track neurotransmitters in a living brain. We could see Alzheimer's forming, or watch drugs work in real time. This is just the beginning. In 10 years, we might look back at today's microscopes the way we look at stone tools. This camera does more than show us life, it forces us to redefine it. If development isn't as rigid as we thought, what does that mean for evolution, genetics, even consciousness itself? We've always assumed life follows a blueprint. But what if it's more like a conversation? Every few centuries, a new tool changes everything. The telescope showed us the cosmos. The microscope revealed cells. And now, the quantum camera is showing us life itself, unfiltered, from the tiniest cells to the vast mysteries of existence. This camera has opened a door we never knew existed. And behind it, a new understanding of what it means to be alive. If this journey through the quantum frontier amazed you, hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments what would you film with a quantum camera. Thanks for watching, and remember, The greatest discoveries aren't just about seeing more. They're about seeing differently. Would you like any further refinements, more technical jargon, a different narrative style, or even a mystery angle, for example? What secret is the embryo hiding? Let me know.